And good afternoon, everybody. I am here live at the Florida Railroad Museum in Parrish, Florida, just down the road from my house. And today is going to be a very special day because today I'm traveling kind of back in time to when Thomas the Train was on Cartoon Network. He was on PBS Kids. I think he's still on the show. One of the longest running shows in the United States. And traveling back in time to childhood memories of me watching that show. Of course, I love trains, always have, and probably always will. And so I got a ticket to ride Thomas with a day out with Thomas today. We are supposed to be here about an hour before departure. We are heading over there now. We are going to make our way over here and look at the cars all over the place. And so we are going to go, it says that way, but we are going to, there it says, welcome. So we're going to go over here. Hold on, let me put my mask on here. So, guys, got a one what's going into all sides. Okay. We are masked up and ready to go. And look at this. This is kind of like a little carnival. Look at this. This is amazing. All right, let's enter in our tickets. Hey. Good. I got my ticket right here.
Perfect. All right, so you are going to want to try to board the train about 15-20 minutes beforehand.
Yeah.
You're going to board right around that yellow and white tent. There'll be a big sign that says train boarding.
Okay.
Restrooms are underneath the green and white tent. They're not on the train, so we're letting people know.
Okay.
And then there's all kinds of fun activities and just a face mask for the train
Right.
and any enclosed areas.
Yes.
All
Gotcha.
right, and you're all set.
Wonderful. So I just take this.
Yep, you're going to keep that with you, and
So-
you're going to want to scan it at the
train,
boarding.
at the boarding,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
you.
All right. All right, we are in, and we've got, let's see, all kinds. So they got a raffle going on. They got a lemonade stand. I'm just gonna panorama this. Look at all the festivities. They got a petting zoo. Look at this. Sugar shakers. Whatever that is. Then they got a petting zoo over there. Cornhole boards. I love cornhole. One of the state sports in Ohio. You got the Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey Circus, everything around here, Thomas themed. You got Percy, and of course we got kids all over the place, but we are here. Let's go look at all the animals at the petting zoo. windy. Very windy today. Oh my. So, all in all, this is really fun. Look at the baby goats.
Preston, Grandpa, stay with Preston.
And
Lila,
a
come on.
llama.
See the babies with Grandma. Come on. Yeah, come see them.
Oh, the goat. No, don't eat the tickets. Look at the goat. Llama. This goat's trying to eat my food, my ticket. I don't need to eat my. That was this llama is going at it. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So all in all, this is great festivities. Just arriving an hour before departure. So we're gonna board here. It's 1:20 right now. We're gonna board at 1:45. We're gonna board Thomas himself. We're going on an hour-long journey to where we're going. I do not know. Probably to the island of Sodor, I would think. So we're gonna get off here. I'm gonna take some pictures. See you as we chug along on our trip later on today. Keep chugging. Steam on.